Ready to unlock even bigger savings on Temu? Let's dive into how to use your Temu credit balance to score amazing deals. First, check your available credit. Open the Temu app and tap on the U tab at the bottom. You'll find your credit balance right there. This is free money earned through promotions, refunds, or referrals. Now, let's go shopping. Browse Temu as usual and add the items you want to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, tap the cart icon. Review your items to be sure you want to purchase them. On the order confirmation page, you'll see a payment method section. Your Temu credit balance should automatically be applied to your order, reducing the total amount you owe. Review the order summary so you know how much has been applied. If you have more than one payment option available in Temu app, be sure your Temu credit balance is set as the primary or enabled option. This is the best way to ensure Temu will utilize the available credit. That's it. Complete your order by tapping place your order. Keep in mind that if your credit balance doesn't cover the entire purchase, you'll need to use another payment method for the remaining amount. Now go shop and maximize those savings with your Temu credit balance. Don't forget to check out the Help Center in the app if you have further questions. Happy shopping!